Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that brief cat situation. I know I talk about my cats a lot. Eventually, I will do this someplace where the cat can be. Cat's not allowed in here because there's some like the little decorative flowery thing. Those, and she goes straight for those every time. So no kitty. This is like the kitty free zone. Okay, so we're going to eat a Today Aloha chocolate marshmallow something. Again, I don't know where it's from. But they do have a Facebook page and Twitter, and I don't know what that is. It's probably Instagram or something. But anyway, if you're social media savvy, which I'm not, you can follow them in their adventures. Ooh, this looks like a, what do you call it? One of those things. Yeah. I can't get it out of the package. Ooh, yeah, so it looks like that. Like the marshmallow and the coconut and stuff. Jesus, if y'all know your friggin' chocolate, I'll tell you what. What a healthy breakfast. Here's one of these guys, crunch wafer, which those look like hazelnuts. Because you know what? I don't know. I should know, but I don't. I should have showed a picture before I bit into it. I didn't. It's it's like cookie wafer things, kind of like where'd they go? I don't like those, but a cookie instead of a straw. Either way, still delicious. It's almost smart enough to remember water. Ooh, what have we got here? There's actually like quite a bit of stuff in here. Several little hard candies, which I'm most likely not going to mess with right now. Honestly, I could probably do a video of just hard candies, but this is what they look like. Toffix. So there's an orange one, a yellow one. And I don't know if they're actually hard candies, like hard, or if they're toffee things. Probably kind of taffy things, because they say, oh, this one says Damla, I don't know. But 3 of them say Toffix, which leads me to believe that they're taffy. Wanted. And that looks like a coconut, so I'm going to say this is coconut. This doesn't have anything on the package to tell me where it's from, but, oh, it looks like I don't know what it looks like. Kind of like a mutant bear thing. It's kind of like I don't know, like okay. It's like a chocolate shell, and then kind of that, like arrow style right there. And then I don't know what that is. It's not really nougat as I know it, but my only experiences with nougat are American nougat, so I don't know if it's the same everywhere or if it's even called nougat or if they even have a word for it. So whatever, it's one of those things. Somewhere it will say product of something. The little label letter whatever thing that came with it said, if you're curious where it came from, look on the back and it'll say made in or product of or whatever. And again, as I stated, it's like universal that you can't read the writing. It's all teeny tiny. So I think this is that based on my horrible linguistic skills, that last word right there, the thing that says granule, whatever. I want to say this is some kind of granola bar. I'm probably wrong. Usually am. That's okay. I'm sure it'll be good. Everything else in here's, yeah, it's, ow, son of a bitch. Yeah, it's like a granola bar. No. It's nothing like a granola bar. That's like a Twix kind of, but without the caramel. Again, the Aero stuff in there. Wafers, whatever. One of these days I'll learn to quit assuming what these candies are going to be, because I never have any freaking clue. This looks like it's going to be a coconut version of the same thing. If any of you can read this, please let me know what it says. Yeah, wafer coated with chocolate and coconut. Hey, I read that. Not that. It says it in English underneath it. Now, see, I would have made the assumption that this was the Middle Eastern box because this says Alibaba, which, you know, but yeah, it's another one of the, ooh, it's got coconut shavings on it. This thing is really good. Like, really, really, I might not even share this one with anybody. Like, really super shit. 5-second rule doesn't apply to the table. Like, really super light and flaky. And they use some quality coconut in that thing. It is really, really good. Coconut biscuits. Again, because they were nice enough to put it in English, too. Coconut, I see being a popular, who's what's this here? Now, okay. See, this says it's from the Sultanate of Oman? Aman? I don't know. United Arab Emirates. And see, again, I would have assumed that was Middle Eastern. So shit, who knows? Maybe I did grab the Middle Eastern. I thought that, you know what? I don't know. I don't know which one I grabbed. So far, nothing has jumped out and said, hey, this is made in wherever. I mean, I know it's on here somewhere. Now, see, the writing on the back of this one looks vaguely German. So, you know what? I don't know. Screw it. We're just going to continue eating our way through them. Now, I don't know if every package will be the same. Like, I don't know if every time, you know, I'll probably order this box again. I don't know if they're going to be the same every time. I don't know if every European pack is different or if every European pack is the same. I don't really care because Bill, I don't know who Bill is. Probably the guy who made the cookie. These are like coconut butter cookies. They're really good. So I've got like 4 more things. Funny thing is, I was never a big fan of coconut growing up. And then when you get old, apparently your taste buds change. And now I love the shit. I know what these are. We have stuff like them here. I thought it said Naruto for a minute. I don't watch anime. I just know that's an anime. See, okay, again, this is a product of United Arab Emirates, which I just assumed was Middle Eastern. I don't know. At this point, I don't really care. It's yummy. But kind of know what these things are because we have similar shit in unopenable packages. We have similar... Ooh, they're in a box, too. That's so nice of them. That is really actually nice of them because the biggest gripe I have with these when you buy them here is that they're always broken because, as you will see soon, they are teeny tiny fragile little things. Damn, these guys do not play around with their candy shit. The UAE is hardcore about this stuff. Like, we will not serve broken food. Oh, balls. I'm going to wind up breaking them trying to get into them. But yeah, these are exactly the thing. Son of a bitch. Oh, these are way bigger than I thought they were. Scissors. One of y'all remind me to bring the scissors next time, please. I'm so bad at this. Okay, so they're like so they're like a couple of them together, which you can then break apart if you want to be a nice person and share, or if you want to be a greedy fat bastard like me. I'm not going to break them apart because I don't want to break them. So they're these things. Shit the bed. You're just going to have to wait till I finish this, sorry. Balls. Damn UAE. Damn. Y'all know your candy. Chocolate biscuit. I'll fall in love. Or you will, I don't know, one or two. You is kind of generic in this sense. Ooh, that's neat. And then biscuits.